wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding stools. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Available in several attractive colors, the travelchair slacker tripod collapses down to the size of a rolled newspaper and can be held in its folded position with the included Velcro strap. There's also a strap for slinging it across your shoulder for carrying too. It comes with a ripstop fabric seat and a sturdy aluminum frame. However, it's not as comfortable as many. At number 9, the Zimmer Heavy Duty aren't going to win any beauty contests, but they are strong with a rugged polyethylene seat that resists cracking, scratches and sun damage. They've got a tubular steel frame that's powder coated in a simple grey colour. These come in a 2-pack with a stain-resistant finish, but they don't lock in position. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Wheeze Beyond Padded has a back support, though it's worth noting that it can only support up to 220 pounds, which is less than much of the competition. It does have a locking pin that stops it from closing accidentally though. It's 12 inches in diameter and the frame is all metal, however the cushioning is a little thin. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding stools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Alera Plus IL series can be adjusted within a 10-inch range to suit various purposes and users. It comes with non-marring rubber sleeve legs and soft foam covered with vinyl. It's made of welded tubular steel with strong reinforced hinges, but it is too heavy for easy portability. Moving up our list to number 6. The mitylite Flex 1 prizes function over form. While its plain black styling leaves something to be desired aesthetically, it is compact and light at only 10 pounds, with an integrated carrying handle that pops up when it's fully closed. This is a counter-height model that folds in just 1 second. However, the seat isn't as sturdy as some. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available in 4 colors and several heights, the Vigar Compact has rubber feet to keep it from sliding on hard floors, and a textured step to help you stay in place when standing on it. It's lightweight and easy to carry, especially since it's got a comfortable handle. It folds and unfolds quickly and is made of sturdy polypropylene, but you can pinch your fingers when closing it. At number 4, they don't get much more basic than the Coleman Rambler 2, which can hold up to 225 pounds. It weighs in at only 1.9 pounds, so it'll go almost anywhere with ease, but it's still strong thanks to a powder-coated aluminum frame and a rugged polyester seat. This is a budget-friendly model that stands about 17 inches tall, though it is on the narrow side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Acko 2-step provides plenty of additional height, and with its wide hand grip you should feel nice and steady on it. The steel frame can hold up to 300 pounds, and the treads are big enough to give you stability. There are 3- and 4-step versions available too, and a locking mechanism keeps it open. No assembly is required. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding stools, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the qqxx Portable serves as both a handsome resting place and a handy stepladder to help you with those hard-to-reach cupboards and shelves in your home. It's made of solid wood for durability and is easy to put together. It includes a built-in carrying handle and non-slip pads on each leg. It can support up to 660 pounds. And taking the top spot on our list, at a glance you'd never know that the linen home decor Keira can be folded up and tucked away in a matter of seconds, because it looks just like a standard bar stool. In the open position it feels secure thanks to supports on both the front and back legs. It arrives fully assembled in a handsome espresso finish with durable PVC upholstery. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding stools, or simply click beneath this video.